Hello, I'm Darlene Pavone. I'm just here to show you in my glamorous background of my laundry room how I use the Thieves laundry detergent and how you can really make it work for you cost-wise and get clean clothes and safe clean clothes and save money. So the Thieves laundry detergent on its own is like really a great deal just as it is, because even though it says 64 loads, most people these days, not me, but most people have a high energy HE washer, and you only need to use, most people that have that only use a quarter to a half of this size cup. So they're not even using the full, you know, right up to this line. You don't have to go all the way up to the top, just to this little cap line. So most people use that much for their high efficiency, and so it says you get 64 loads, which it's $30.75. So if you divide that up, it's I'm not going to do the math there, but it's really reasonable. So just a quarter cap is the directions, and a half a cap actually for conventional washers. So that's probably about where I showed you. But if you want to even go even more, and you don't mind a little DIY, what you can do is I saved these jugs from almond milk, and then I saved my empties, and I took the label off and I just put it on my gallon jugs. Hi, Pam. And then so I have 3 of them. Okay, so this one laundry detergent, this one's still full, is going to make 3 of these. So what I do is I divide, this is a full one, I divide it into 3 parts in the gallon jug. So put my detergent in, split it up into thirds. Then I add 2 capfuls of the Thieves household cleaner. This is kind of like your booster. Some people add 3 caps. You can do whatever you want. It's your DIY. But I do 2. If you wanted a little more power, like maybe if you have really dirty like grease and stuff, you might want to do 3, but it works really great just with 2. Love it. It smells great. It smells like, on its own, it smells like the Thieves household cleaner, but you know, adding this, it gives it a nice boost and it smells really good. So you're going to add 2 capfuls of that, and then you're just going to top it off, the 3 bottles off, with distilled water. You want to use distilled water so that there's no bacteria getting into it or anything. Doesn't go moldy or anything. So this works so great. I love it. And then I just use the regular cap off the laundry detergent and do my laundry. But if you want to add beyond there, if you really want to do more with the scent, or you don't like the scent of the oh, thank you. Oh, Valerie, hi. I had to put a filter on a little bit because this background is not beautiful, but anyway, you can put lemon in for whitening. I like to put lemon and lavender in. And you would use like whatever you want, really, the scent, you know, how you like it, but I've done like 20 drops or 10 drops in each, whatever you want, really. And then purification, if you have some really like stinky gym clothes or gym bags of your kids, you could use lemon and purification, or just purification alone. You can really personalize it this way. It makes 3 bottles, and so when I figured that out, if it's 64 loads here and you're getting 3 bottles, that's 192 loads, I believe, is what you're going to end up with. It's a lot of detergent. It equals about 16 cents a load, and it's easy to do. I do it all once, and I have 3 big gallon jugs ready to go for my laundry, so I don't need to do that for quite a while. Bigger households might have to do it more often, but it's a great way to do it. But again, Some people just right out of the bottle like it just like that. So I hope that this is helpful to you. You need to try the Thieves laundry detergent because it is free from sodium lauryl sulfate, any of those sulfates, dyes, petrochemicals, formaldehyde, phosphates, synthetic perfumes, and optical brighteners. Smells wonderful, is going to be great for anyone in your family. And the other thing is, you know, those clothes, when you put them on, if you're using the dryer sheets, make sure you're using dryer balls with oils on them instead of dryer sheets, because most detergents, they have clay in them and they stick, the detergent sticks right into the fabrics, and then when you put them in the dryer, you get the chemicals from the dryer sheets, and then you end up with that on your skin, on your family's skin, and outgassing into the air all day long on you, and all night long on your sheets and on your towels that you use. So definitely get the laundry detergent, make it last for you, make it good the way you like it, and enjoy it. See you guys.